What's up, good people? How you feel? I feel good. And I'm back with another video. My name is Alana, just in case you're new here, and welcome to the channel. Today I am in Nashville, Tennessee. I have come to visit my good friend Tanisha in her workshop at Sukhinodesigns. And she is working on, what is this stuff? Oh, laser cutter.
You say, what is it called?
What is it called? Tanisha is working on her laser cutter goods. So it's about to go from here to the laser cutter all the way to over here, and I'm gonna be doing some samples for her. She always uses me. You got to. It be your own friends.
Sometimes I don't. You just don't be in like a creative space.
You just gotta get there. You gotta take yourself to the creative space.
I
Create happy, create sad. You just have to create. And that's right, people. So what do you do to get yourself out of that? Oh, okay. So when that happens to me, when I'm kind of like in a funk and not in my creative space or whatever, I like go out, you know, go to the mall, go to the zoo, do something that makes you happy other than creating. If that's kind of hard. But just like go out and interact with people. Go listen to some music, take a walk, music's country. Go listen to some music. You know, go for a walk, a run, and then shoot, hopefully you got something, but that's what I usually do. So you could comment below what you do when you kind of in your creative rut and you can't really get your creative juices flowing. But me, I just do stuff like this. See, it's gonna help the creative juices. So we're about to take this wreath here. How long do it take you to do this usually?
This probably won't take long at all.
So we're creating a wreath.
Yeah.
And that's it? That's our only...
Oh, no. A tree, a snowflake.
You want me to do all three of them?
No, I told you I'm going to do...
You're going to do one?
I'm going to do like one, maybe.
But there is our cutout right now, or this is our, what would you call this? What's the technical? The print? I don't know. This is our stencil we're using. Our little
Stencil is a good word.
Yeah. Stencil. Did you make this from scratch, or you kind of got it from somewhere else?
Not on the internet. Not on the internet.
Oh.
Makes my life easier.
Oh. Well,
nobody knows. I mean, well, now people.
I could cut it out. You want me to know?
It really don't matter. I mean, like, so some people would be like, I don't want to out of time because it's off the internet, but I don't know. Most of the time I just remix it to make it my own.
I mean, that's what, like,
I'm not a sketcher.
That's what
I can sketch, but I just don't. It takes more time. Like if I were to sketch something, I'm more of like if it's already made, then I can redraw it, which I haven't done that in years. Yeah. But I'm just a person who just like I take stuff that I see and then I just like remix it.
But that's called like, have you ever read the book Still Like an Artist? That's a good book for everybody to read. I forget who it's by right now, but if I could think of it, I'll put it in the description below and y'all could check out that. But that's a good book. It's called Still Like an Artist. That helps. You can use that. Oh my cute. Oh, I'm trying to crop y'all up and it's not going too well. Y'all a little crooked. Hold on, bear with me. Oh, okay. Come over here.
What is the book about?
What book?
Still Like an Artist.
Oh, it's just like basically doing what you said, like taking someone else's stuff, not taking it, but like this, cause getting inspiration from other people and then remix it to make it your own. If you really think about it, there's nothing you want to do.
But see, the thing is, that's when copyright, because you'll have other people that say otherwise. You have people that's like, oh, this is copyright. And so, kind of like, did you remember that Obama picture? And it had hope on it, that like went viral. Like, so, the person who created that art took that photo from some newspaper. And so,
from the States? From the States?
Yeah, this was in the States. Okay. So, took it from the newspaper, and he just made it into his own art, right? Well, then, and he wasn't even selling it. Like, he wasn't selling it.
He just did it just because he felt like creating.
Yeah, and it just became this popular picture. Well, the newspaper sued him, and literally he was in this like long legal battle, and it was mainly because he didn't give credit to like the person who took the photo, which it wasn't his intent. Like, he wasn't selling it or anything.
He just wanted to.
Yeah.
So that's probably what he probably could get. Well, not get off, I guess. He probably will have told me because he wasn't selling it. He said, I just creating people like.
But he said that, but no, they like literally took him through like
that. So it's not the color scheme
process,
right?
No, it was the actual photo. So he used the photo to make his own.
But
like the whole color
he didn't change anything.
No,
but
besides the colors.
Then you could say, because that kind of.
You gotta look it up.
But that reminds me of Andy Warhol. That's the wild thing. I wouldn't think about no newspaper. I'm pretty sure that's where they got it from.
Because I don't remember what his name is. It was on Hulu. I mean, yeah, it was on Hulu. And it talked about it. And they literally like dragged the whole thing out. And it was pretty much just like a big corporation just taking advantage of the small guy. And just doing the most. But because that photo was illegally copyrighted by the newspaper, they had the right to sue him even though he wasn't selling it. So it's kind of like, you gotta be careful, because if people got stuff copyrighted, and even if you make it your own, people can still argue that that's still their work. So that's why I'm like leery on doing some things, because like some people have given me ideas and stuff, but I'm just like, I can't take somebody else's photo and just engrave it onto the wood, because that's still their photo. Like, I'm not really doing anything different, even if it's still on a different medium than it, which is different. Like, somebody could still possibly see me for that, and especially if I'm selling it. So I don't know. It's just like, it's kind of like you gotta just tread lightly with that stuff, because I'm not trying to have nobody see me.
Ain't that right?
It's hard to see this string. Oh, there it goes.
So here is our wreath. Excuse my ring pop. I know y'all talking about me, but here's the wreath. Then we added the snowflake tree, or 2 types of trees. But there it is there, and then the program simulates it, and then it goes to here. That's cool.
meal budget, then we'll just work with that.
Yeah.
Because then it could be where they're like, all right, maybe we'll just have you there for $5. That's fine with me. Like, you don't have to have me there all day.
I'm trying not to put your cash and stuff on here. Sorry about the sound. That's the laser cutter. That was also in the previous clip. But I think this is really neat. Now it's going back and doing the second line. So I'll show you on here. The red line, it cuts that out first and then it goes back to the blue line. And now they're all done. Dope, right?
I'm so happy for the holidays. It's my favorite. Yeah, I get to see my family.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's the best part, your family. The other stuff,
That's what I'm trying to say. Like, I'm not looking for Christmas.
I just like to spend time with my family.
But like, not.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you know, we done got old.
Make all my gifts. So.
Yeah. We paint and make all your gifts. Life hack. Become a creative. Then you don't got to spend no money on gifts. So our stencils are finally done, and I'm gonna go with Christmas tree and classic snowflake. Let's get to it. are finally finished with our ornaments.
Tanisha did this one. I did the snowflake and this tree here and the wreath, and then the last guitar ornament. That was pretty fun.
Do you like what I did as a guinea pig? Yes?
Huh?
You like
Yeah, it looks good.
She always say that. I never know if she lying. But
I don't lie. Maybe sometimes.
oh, yeah. Sometimes we do fall short as friends. But anyway, that's it for today. Be blessed, stay blessed, and be a blessing.